Deep breath in and exhale. Staying fit is a full-time job.
Just one magic pill to burn off that extra cheesecake. Oh, that must be my water delivery. Be right back.
Mommy? Where are you? Ooh, glowing strawberry candy.
Uh-oh. Tastes funny.
Everything got so big.
Okay, hydration time. Milo, were you playing in here?
Mommy! Down here! I'm an ant!
What is that tiny sound? Please don't tell me he ate the...
Hi, Mom. The candy made me mini.
Milo! You swallowed the magic diet pill?
Can I have another one? I want to be a microbe.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness! Don't move! Stay right there!
A giant beast.
Mochi, no! That is not a dog treat! Phew, that was close.
Thanks, Mom. The wind monster almost got me.
Oh, make way for the race car!
Super ramp jump!
Toby, stop!
Earthquake!
Aw, man, you ruined the stunt, Mom.
Living room! Now! The gym is a hazard zone!
What is going on in here? Why are you guarding the table?
David, don't freak out. But look at the table.
Did you spill a piece of rice or something?
Hi, Daddy. I shrunk.
Ugh.
So dramatic. I need to read the warning label. Warning, may cause intense cellular compression. Antidote, whole milk. Milk! I just need to get him a drop of milk. Stay in the dome of safety, sweetie. I'll be right back.
Can I get chocolate milk?
Ugh. I had the craziest dream that Milo was an insect. Not a dream. Definitely not a dream.
I have the cure! Make way! Open wide, little man.
tastes like normal milk.
Oh, thank goodness you're back to being my big happy bee.
No more eating strange glowing objects, deal?
Deal. Magic candy makes dogs too scary.
I think I'll just stick to regular yoga.
Where did the tiny white bug go? I wanted to race it.
Now I have its power.
Milk makes you big and strong. Bye-bye.